If you want to connect your iPhone 17 to a printer, then here's what you need to do. So first of all, we need to open a file that we want to print. It can be a photo, a document, whatever it is. You just want to open it. And then you need to find the share button, which usually looks like this, a rectangle with an arrow going up. It can be positioned sometimes at the bottom of the screen somewhere, sometimes it is in the upper right corner, sometimes it is hidden behind 3 dots or additional menu. So let's select this option, and in this case you are looking for the print option. In my case it is over here. After that we have additional options, but we are looking for printer, so you should be able to tap on this option if you still didn't connect your printer yet, and then our iPhone is looking for a printer. Keep in mind that we need to have a printer that supports that supports iPhones generally speaking, or iOS devices, or Apple devices in general. And if you manage to find your printer over here, then of course you should be able to just simply select it and then you can start printing. However, in some other cases, you might need to download a very specific app for your printer. Unfortunately, there is no like a single method that allows me to show you how to do that. So if you cannot detect your printer over here, even though it is enabled and it is connected to Wi-Fi, for example, then in that case you probably want to check the manual and try to find instructions how to actually connect your very specific printer to iPhone 17 or iPhone in general. And after that you should be able to just select your printer over here in this menu, and then you can choose the number of copies that you want to print. You can adjust the paper size, and sometimes you can also change the layout over here. And once you are ready to print, just tap on this printer button over here in the upper right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.